Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today's tutorial will be a complete freestyle set. I'll be using some red. Look at this glitter. Burgundy and nude, of course. I got some stuff from Amazon, so I'll show you real quick the kit that I got, and I'll put on the screen how much it was. So yeah, take a look at that. Okay, so I'm back. I will have the products that I used listed down below, and I'll just let you watch what I'm doing. And yeah, I'll probably show you what I'll be doing for the nail art. Also, on my Instagram, I did put up a poll for you guys to vote on what nail set I should do. So if you want to participate in future ones like that, you can follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave it below. And that will be it. You'll just vibe with me till the end, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Okay guys, so I am back. I decided to talk through this part of everything because yeah, this is the nail so far, shaped and filed and buffed, and I also encapsulate with clear. So I have this spider gel. It's a red glittery one from Secret Nail Affair. This would focus. I'm thinking of putting it on this nail, so let us try that. So this is one of the tools that came in the kit. This is the spider gel, hence the name spider gel. This looks so cool. I'll use some acetone just to clean up the sides. Okay, so I'm gonna finish cleaning up the rest of this and then cure it in the light for 60 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay, so next I'm gonna do this finger. I want to do a white outline of that smile line, so I'm gonna take this brush and attempt it. Now to just spread them around on the tip. Okay guys, so I'll be using this top coat to coat my nails while I tell you guys what I realized. So remember how I told you earlier that I did a poll on Instagram and this set was basically chosen by my followers? Well, apparently not. So I had them choose the length, the color thing, and if I should add like designs or keep it plain. They picked to add design, bright colors, and a medium length. This is not a medium length. This is XXL. I thought red was a bright color, so I do a set with red and burgundy. But yeah, the length is not medium, so I'm gonna have to do another video. Oh, can you see how pretty that foil is underneath? It's nice. Okay. Moment of truth for this one. Okay, so this is it. Not for the video. I have one last thing I'm gonna do. So I believe this is my first time using this Mia Secret Crystal UV gel, I think so. I'm gonna put some crystals on. Gonna be using this, but I have a big container of chunky crystals that I'll be using too. Okay, hold on. Is that a tornado or what? Okay, false alarm. Can you hear that wind? That's crazy, my guy. Okay guys, so I ran out of space, so I'm just gonna show you the ending of this. I'm gonna add these little crystals. Like a necklace. If you hear anything in the background, that's the wind. Alright, so I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds, and if you stayed until the end of the video, thank you very much and thank you for watching. Let me show you the reveal shots. Bye bye.